Welcome back, my amazing seniors. This is day 13 of our 60-day fitness series for adults over 60. If you're new, start from day 1 and stay consistent. Your body will thank you. Today, we'll do 3 easy but powerful leg exercises to build strength, balance, and confidence. Grab your sturdy chair, take a deep breath, and let's begin. Exercise 1, chair sit and stand, 50 repetitions. Let us begin with our first exercise for today, the chair sit and stand. This simple yet powerful movement strengthens your thighs, hips, and lower back while improving your balance and mobility. Before we begin, make sure you have a sturdy chair placed on a flat surface. You can stand either behind your chair or right in front of it. Ensure it is stable and does not slide or move when you sit down or stand up. Keep your posture upright and your feet shoulder width apart. Now, follow these steps carefully. First, sit down fully, keeping your back straight and your knees at a 90-degree angle. Do not drop down too quickly. Take your time and feel the movement. Next, stand up slowly, pressing through your heels. Engage your leg muscles as you rise and remember to keep your knees steady. Avoid locking your knees or leaning forward too much. This controlled movement is what builds strength safely. Ready? Take a deep breath and let us begin our 50 sight and stands together. Here we go. Let's start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, keep breathing. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Stay steady. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. You are doing amazing. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, halfway there. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Keep your back straight. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Wonderful effort. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, almost done. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, last few, 46, 47, 48, 49, and 50. Fantastic work. Take a deep breath and relax your legs. Feel that warmth in your thighs. That is your strength building up day by day. The chair, sit and stand, is one of the best functional exercises for seniors because it mimics daily movements like getting up from a chair or bed. Doing it regularly helps improve independence and reduces the risk of falls. How are you feeling right now? Tell me in the comments below, and also let me know which country you are watching from. I love reading your messages and seeing how seniors from all around the world are staying active together. Keep up the great work. Your consistency is your superpower. Exercise 2. Seated leg raises, 50 repetitions each leg. Now, my strong seniors, let us move to our second exercise, seated leg raises. This exercise is perfect for strengthening your thighs, knees, and hip joints. It improves circulation in your legs and helps you walk more confidently. Please sit comfortably on your sturdy chair. Keep your back straight, shoulders relaxed, and feet flat on the ground. Take a deep breath and feel grounded. We will first work on the right leg, and then we will move on to the left leg. Remember, slow and steady movements are key. Do not rush, and keep your breathing calm throughout. Follow my voice as I guide you step by step. Lift your right leg up slowly, straighten it completely, and hold it for a moment. Feel your thigh muscles working, then lower it down gently without letting your foot drop too fast. This helps strengthen your muscles and improves control. Now we will do this together, one repetition at a time, all the way up to 50. Ready? Let us begin our right leg raises. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, keep it steady, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe deeply. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, nice and easy. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, stay strong. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, halfway there, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Excellent focus. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, do not stop. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, almost done. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, last push, 46, 47, 48, 49, and 50. Fantastic! Now let us switch to your left leg. Keep your posture tall and your core tight. Here we go again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great job. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep breathing. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Stay steady. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Excellent rhythm. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, halfway point, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, keep lifting, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, almost there, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, final stretch, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, last few, 46, 47, 48, 49, and 50. Excellent work. Take a deep breath and relax your legs for a moment. You should feel warmth in your thighs. That is your strength building up. The seated leg raise is a gentle yet powerful move that enhances mobility and balance. If you have been following this program since day 13, tell me in the comments how your legs feel now. Do you feel stronger and more stable than before? Your dedication is showing results, and your consistency is truly inspiring. Keep moving, keep smiling, and keep those legs active every single day. Exercise 3. Standing side leg lifts. 50 repetitions each leg. Now, my wonderful seniors, let us move to our third and final exercise for today. The standing side leg lifts. This exercise is fantastic for improving balance, hip strength, and stability, which are essential for preventing falls and staying mobile. Before we start, please make sure you have your sturdy chair beside you. You will use it for support and balance. Stand tall with your feet shoulder width apart and your hands gently resting on the back of the chair. Keep your chest lifted, your shoulders relaxed, and your gaze forward. Here is how we will perform it step by step. Lift your right leg out to the side slowly without leaning your upper body. Keep your toes pointed forward. Then bring it back down gently to the starting position. focus on control, not speed. You should feel a gentle pull in your outer thigh and hip muscles. This is what strengthens your legs and improves coordination. Are you ready? Let us begin with the right leg together. Follow my count and stay steady all the way through 50 repetitions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep breathing. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wonderful start. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Stay tall. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Great balance. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Halfway point. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. You are doing great. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Strong work. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Almost there. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Last stretch. 46, 47, 48, 49, and 50. Excellent. Take a deep breath. Shake out your legs gently and get ready for the left leg. Keep your posture upright and your core firm. Let us begin together now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep going. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nice and steady. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Perfect form. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Feel that strength. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Halfway there. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Keep your balance. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Wonderful job. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Nearly done. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Final push. 46, 47, 48, 49, and 50. Amazing job, my strong seniors. You have completed 50 repetitions on each leg. Feel the power in your hips and thighs. That is real progress. Standing side leg lifts help you improve your balance and coordination, making daily activities like walking and climbing stairs easier. If you are following this 60-day program consistently, you are building lasting strength with each passing day. Tell me in the comments how your legs feel after today's workout and from which country you are joining. Share this video with your senior friends so they can also grow stronger with you. Keep smiling, keep standing tall, and I will see you tomorrow for another great session. Fantastic work, my strong seniors. You've completed all 3 exercises for day 13. How are you feeling today? Comment, "I did it," if you finished all repetitions. And don't forget, share this video with 5 to 7 senior friends so they can stay fit with you. See you tomorrow for day 14. Stay active, stay happy, and keep those legs strong.